Welcome to Discover Agriculture. In today's video, we're exploring a unique and exciting business opportunity. Pet animals farming. Whether it's breeding dogs, cats, rabbits, birds, or exotic pets, the pet farming business is booming due to the growing demand for companion animals. We'll walk you through the step-by-step process of starting your own pet animal farming business, from choosing the right animals to setting up your farm, and ensuring proper care and marketing strategies for success. The first and most important step is deciding what type of pets you want to farm. Different animals have different space, food, and care requirements, so it's crucial to pick the one that fits your resources and skills. Dogs and cats. These are highly popular pets but require a lot of space, proper medical care, and a clean environment. Rabbits. They are easier to maintain and have a high demand, especially for breeding and petting. Birds. Exotic bird farming can be very lucrative, but they need specific temperature and humidity conditions. Exotic pets. These animals are becoming increasingly popular among pet owners but may require specialized knowledge of care. Once you've chosen the animals, the next step is to set up the farm. Ensure you have enough space for the number of pets you're planning to breed. Invest in good quality enclosures, cages, and shelters that provide comfort and safety. Cleanliness is essential to avoid diseases. Have proper drainage, ventilation, and a cleaning schedule in place. Partner with a local vet to ensure your animals are healthy, vaccinated, and regularly checked for diseases. Each pet has its unique dietary requirements, so research the best food for your chosen species and ensure they get balanced nutrition. Proper breeding techniques are vital for growing your business. Learn about the reproductive cycles of your pets, including gestation periods, proper mating conditions, and caring for newborns. Always monitor the health of your pets and ensure any breeding is done responsibly. Overbreeding can cause health issues for both the mother and offspring. Keep records of each animal's health history, vaccinations, and breeding cycles for future reference and potential buyers. Ensure that you are aware of the laws regarding pet breeding and sales in your region. In many places, you will need a license or permit to operate a pet farm legally. Research the specific requirements in your area. Make sure your farm complies with all animal welfare regulations to avoid penalties and ensure ethical practices. Marketing is crucial to the success of your pet farming business. Create an engaging online presence where potential buyers can view pictures, videos, and descriptions of the animals. Partner with local pet shops to display and sell your animals. These events offer an excellent platform for networking with buyers, breeders, and pet enthusiasts. As an additional service, provide care packages or guidance to new pet owners on feeding, grooming, and health. As your business grows, it's essential to focus on sustainability. Don't rush into expanding your farm. Take gradual steps to add more animals or species. Offer loyalty programs or discounts for repeat customers to create a strong customer base. Always prioritize the well-being of your animals to maintain a good reputation and avoid legal issues. The pet animal farming business can be highly rewarding both emotionally and financially, but it requires proper planning, care, and commitment. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to starting a successful pet farming business. Whether you're looking to breed popular pets like dogs and cats or venture into the exotic pet market, with the right approach, you can turn your passion for animals into a thriving business. Thank you for watching Discover Agriculture. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with more exciting content. See you in the next video.